everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious fried shrimp fries, and it's so quick and easy to make, and it's super delicious. I'm using a basmati rice, half cup. 1.5 cup water. Prior to cooking, we're going to wash it with cold water. Olive oil for tadka, half cup. Frozen mixed vegetable, half onion, 1 teaspoon each ginger, garlic, green chili. All the spices will be half teaspoon each: cumin powder, red chili flake, coriander powder, cumin seed. Salt is always to taste, and I'm not going to use the salt because I'm going to use hoisin sauce and soy sauce. 2 eggs, 5 jumbo black tiger shrimp. And let's start making our delicious shrimp fried rice. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. Add olive oil, like a 1 teaspoon. And we're going to bring 2 eggs. Mix it. We don't need to overcook the egg. We're just going to cook halfway. So this is good enough. This is all we need. Take this egg into separate plate. After taking out the egg, I'll add 1 teaspoon olive oil. We add the shrimp. These are jumbo tiger shrimp, and we're going to cook them. Once they start cooking, they will start changing color. If you notice, the color start to change, and we're going to turn these over. When you're making a fried shrimp fries, you always can use a cooked one, but these are uncooked and these are fresh. We cooked like 2 minutes on initially, and now we're going to cook an additional 1 minute on this side, and this is good enough. If you notice that they are nicely cooked. Shrimp don't take that long to cook. Transfer these into the plate as well. Now I'm going to get another karahi, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin seed, jeera. And at the same time, we're going to add ginger, garlic, and green chili. Mix them all and cook. Ginger, garlic, green chili along with cumin seed for like 20 seconds until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. This is good enough, and now we'll add onion. Mix it well and cook onion until they are nicely translucent. Onions are translucent. This is all we need. We don't need to make onion brown. This is good enough. And now we'll add the frozen vegetable. Mix it well. And at the same time, I'll bring red chili flake, coriander powder, cumin powder. Mix it well. After mixing all the spices, cook it for 1 minute. Cooking spices, vegetable along with tadka for 1 minute, bring water. Mix it well. Cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. As the water started to boil, add rice. These are washed with the cold water. I put it into the strainer so we can drain the water. Mix it well. After mixing it well, cover with the lid and cook exactly 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking. Now I'm going to open it. Mix it well. And now bring the gas to simmer. We're going to add hoisin sauce and soy sauce. 1 teaspoon hoisin sauce and 2 teaspoons soy sauce. This is the reason I did not added any salt into this rice. And after mixing it well, now we'll add shrimp and egg. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes on simmer, which is low heat. Cooking shrimp rice on simmer for 10 minutes. I'll open it and I'll mix it. After mixing it, I'm going to check the rice. It's fully cooked. Now we're going to add fresh cilantro, dhania, which is coriander leaf. I'm going to mix it. Our dish is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving plate ready and I'm going to dish out. How delicious. Very tasty and very delicious. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious fried rice with tiger shrimp. These are very tasty. Please try shrimp rice recipe and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.